In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials to Podia product pages. By the end, you'll know exactly how to showcase customer quotes on your sales page using Podia's built-in tools, so your product looks trustworthy and polished. First, sign in to your Podia account and head to your dashboard. From there, click Website, then Edit Site. This opens the visual editor where you can tweak your pages. If you have multiple pages, use the page selector to open your product's sales page so you're editing the right spot. Give the page a moment to load. You'll see your existing sections stacked on the screen. Next, move your cursor to the area where you want the testimonials to appear. As you hover between sections, a small plus button will show up. Click the plus, and from the menu of available sections, choose Testimonials. Podia will drop in a testimonials block right where you selected it, and you'll see options for customizing it in the sidebar on the right. With the section selected, open the Content tab. Click New Testimonial to add your first entry. Type in the quote you want to highlight. Keep it concise and specific so it feels authentic and easy to skim. Add the customer's name, and if you'd like, include an image or a company logo to give it extra credibility. Make sure images are clear and cropped nicely. A clean headshot or a simple logo works best. Repeat this process to add as many testimonials as you need, and reorder them if you want the strongest one at the top. When your content is in place, switch over to the Design tab. Here you can fine-tune the layout, colors, and padding to match your brand. Choose colors with enough contrast so text stays readable, especially on mobile. Adjust spacing to avoid cramped quotes, and check how the section looks with different layouts. A tighter layout can save space, while a more spacious design can make each quote feel more premium. Take a quick look at the preview to ensure everything is aligned and the images look crisp. Once you're happy with both the content and the design, click Publish. Publishing pushes your changes live, so the testimonials will appear on your product sales page for visitors. After publishing, open the live page in a new tab and scroll to the section to confirm everything looks right. If you spot anything you want to tweak, jump back into Edit Site, adjust the content or design, and publish again. That's it. You've successfully added testimonials to your Podia product page using the built-in section.